Hi, girls.
Hi, boys.
Hi, everyone.
Everybody.
So today is a windy day, right?
Yeah. And I think
It's a pretty windy out there. Pretty windy.
I
don't know.
It's like stormy weather for some reason because my mom said it, but I don't know what if she did.
Yeah, he is right. It isn't raining or anything, but it's pretty windy outside. It's really hard to close the door sometimes. So, I don't know, but we might be able to show you this extreme gust of wind. So, yeah, stay tuned, guys. Okay, so that was our video. Please like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the Rage of the Wind. So yeah, bye.